Installing SciPy with pip. It is possible to install NumPy with pip using pip install NumPy. Is there a similar possibility with SciPy? Doing pip install SciPy does not work. Update. The package SciPy is now available to be installed with pip.
An attempt to easy _install indicates a problem with their listing in the Python package index, which pip searches. All is not lost, however. Pip can install from Subversion, SVN, Git, Mercurial, and Bazaar repositories. SciPy uses SVN. Update 12 to 2012. Since NumPy is a dependency, it should be installed as well.
Prerequisite. Actual packages. Optional packages. SRC.
In Ubuntu 10.04, Lucid, I could successfully pip install SciPy, within a virtualenv, after installing some of its dependencies, in particular.
To install SciPy on Windows, follow these instructions. Step 1. Press this link, this URL, to download a SciPy WHL file, for example SciPy 0.17.0 cp34 nunwin _m64.whl. Step 2. Go to the directory where that download file is there from the command prompt, cd folder name. Step 3. Run this command.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.